Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. So in this video I am going to talk to you about strings. So what are strings? Strings are basically the sequence of the characters. Actually they are ordered sequences of characters. It means we can use string indexing and slicing to grab subsections of the string. So what is indexing? Indexing notation uses the two square bracket notation, and inside the square bracket you have to specify the position of the variable which you want to return. So in this case we are taking a sequence of character like hello, and what will be the index over here? Just like in C array we have to take the index. In here is also there is one index, just same as array hello hello, and each index is 0, e1, l2, another l3, and o4. And what will be the reverse index of here is 0, I minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 respectively of the character. So basically this is the string index. And how can you do that? Open the terminal. So we are assigning like ch equals to hello. Okay, and if you write ch0, it is returning h. Means in the 0th position of the ch there is a character h. So if you want to return the ch as ch2, if you want to, then it will return the l, because this L or this L you have to mention, you have to know the index position. If I want to return the last index, then what we have to mention? You have to mention 4. And remember one thing, that string indexing always starts with 0, not with 1. You have to be very careful in this. So it is returning the last index. And subsequently, what will the reverse index? So if you want to return the last this index in reverse order, ch when written, so you have to do -1. If you do -1, it will provide you the last index. So it is providing 0. And if you do and if you do 0, the first index always starts with 0, whether it is normal indexing or whether it is reverse indexing, it doesn't matter. It will return the h. And by the process of reverse indexing, if you want to return the hello, then what will you do? Count the characters. There are how many number of characters? There are 5 characters. So so e belongs to -4. So I give you ch -4. It is returning e. So this is the scenario of indexing and reverse indexing. By indexing or the reverse indexing, we can grab some particular letters which basically basically I am teaching you this because this will be required in further programming knowledge, because there may be some program which will require to grab some characters and then check the characters whether it is verbal or not. Just like this, you have to know the process. How can you grab the characters like this? In Python it is so much easy and simply you can do this with the help of the indexing. So something like that. If you want to reverse the whole characters, then how can you do? Suppose you want to reverse hello, then there is just like this, give give two semicolon, give two colon, and then close bracket, and it will reverse the whole characters, just like olleh. So this is basically the case of indexing and reverse indexing. This allows Python to grab some subsections of the characters of the string. So what is the syntax of this? Syntax is like this. You have to get the start, you have to get the stop, with the step. This is the slice. This is the syntax of slicing. So slicing I will talk you in the next I will talk you in the next video. So how can you do slicing, etc. So slicing is a part of the thing that that helps you to grab some characters from one position to another using the step. So if there is a large string ABCDEFGH, and if you want to grab from C to up to H, then what you can do? You can use slicing. So this is the syntax of the slicing. You have to mention the start position, you have to mention the stop position, and if you want to mention the step, you can always mention step. So this is the case of slicing. So I will talk about the slicing in the next video. So thank you for watching the video.